What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2025 Chevy Trailblazer started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this remote key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start my Trailblazer as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying no remote detected. So what I need to do in order to get this started is I'm going to grab my key fob and I'm going to come over here to the center console, and we're going to be looking in the space that's just behind the cup holders here. And I'm going to put my key fob in that back compartment like that. So have your key fob sitting down in that compartment with the buttons facing up like that. And now I'll be able to start my vehicle as I normally would. So brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.